to my YouTube channel. For today, yung gagawin naman natin ngayon is try tayo ng banana face mask. Kasi, yung mga gagamitin natin mga ingredients is, of course, banana. At saka ito yung mga natural ingredients. Okay, so as you can notice guys, I'm trying to do some of the DIY skincare. Okay, so try natin, tingnan natin at kung effective ba talaga siya. Safe ba na porket natural ingredients ba is safe ba talagang gamitin for the skin. Okay, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. And by the way guys, before that, before I show you and before we proceed with our DIY facial mask for anti-aging, it reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and sabi we can achieve din daw yung glass skin. So, tignan natin kung totoo yan. And okay, again, before that, okay, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and I hope that please don't forget to subscribe before the end of this video. Okay, so let's start now.
Okay guys, so for our banana face mask, these are the ingredients that we will need. Banana, yogurt, aloe vera, and coconut oil. Aloe vera and coconut oil, this is the coconut oil for the skin, okay? Kasi I've noticed that there is a coconut oil for hair. Pero nung nagpunta ako sa pharmacy, ito talaga yung binibili ko o hinahanap ko noon, noong time na nagpunta akong pharmacy. Pero di ba, nakita ko nga yung Dr. Rachel na aloe vera facial peeling and scrub, which is ito yun, no? Okay. I have a separate video for that sa review nung item na to or product na to. Okay. So, going back to our banana facial mask. Okay. Now, ito normally mabibili ito sa pharmacy or siguro sa Watson, I'm not sure kasi I'm in the Maldives. Parang mas convenient dito maghanap ng mga gantong-ganto kasi napansin ko parang mahilig sila dito sa mga beauty product or skincare product. Okay? And then, now yung banana, bumili kasi ako ng banana. Medyo pricey ang banana dito sa Maldives, guys. Alam nyo ba na ang ganito kaliit na banana is, ano gano'ng kaliit yan ha? Ito yung disposable spoon na maliit lang siya. Oh, diba? 3 pieces nito is 10 rupiah. So, 10 rupiah, Maldivian rupiah times 3. So, that would be like 10 times 3 is 30 pesos. So, 10 pesos isang ganito kaliit na banana. Imagine. Ngayon, napansin ko kasi, nakalimutan ko na yung banana, hindi ko siya nakakain. Instead na itapon kung nabubulok na at malapit na mabulok, why not gawin ko siyang facial mask? Okay. Now, normally, dapat ang gagawin dito is, pwede naman siyang i-blender. Pero, mag-aaksaya pa ba tayo ng kuryente? I-mash na lang natin siya. Okay. Kaya ako may tinidor. Okay, so umpisahan ko na muna, ha?
So guys, ayan na, ready na yung ating mixture, ating pang banana face mask. Ngayon, mag-ano na. Try lang po. Okay. Mag-wash muna ako ng face. Okay. Okay guys, so nakapag-wash na ako ng face kasi dapat clean yung face natin. And by the way, ito, kanina kita nyo, minash ko lang siya. Pero, something naman kung gusto nyo gumamit ng blender, kasi sobrang konti. Parang baka mapunta lang siya dun sa blender. Ayoko din naman mag-mix ng madami kasi baka mapanis. Alam niyo yun, kasi may yogurt siya, tapos may banana. Hindi ko naman magagamit lahat.
What are the benefits of banana in our skin? We know that banana is rich in potassium and moisture. It will hydrate and moisturizes dry skin, making it soft and supple. Vitamin A in banana restores moisture, smoothens out the rough texture of the skin, and heals dry, parched skin. Banana act as a great exfoliator which helps in sloughing off excess sebum on the skin surface. So, we want to know also if banana is good for our face. We know that it is a good source of iron, magnesium, and potassium and helps reduce menstrual cramps. The effect of banana on skin too is not something that can be ignored. Bananas are rich in vitamin A, B, and E, and hence works as an anti-aging agent. A fresh mashed banana facial can do wonders for your skin. First, it moisturizes skin. Bananas are the secret to well-moisturized skin. The vitamin A in bananas restores moisture and repairs dry skin. Mash a ripe banana and apply it to dry skin, avoiding contact with your eyes. Leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water for instantly moisturized skin. It also lightens dark spots. Banana peels have high levels of antioxidants and potassium which can help heal the scars. They also help in lightening the skin tone and can be used to get rid of dark circles as well. Take the banana leaf and rub it over the scarred area every day and wash it with a moist cloth afterwards. Now, can we use banana face mask daily? To do that, you just have to apply to clean dry skin in an even layer. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Pat the skin dry and follow up with moisturizer. You can repeat 2 to 3 times per week. Guys, medyo nararamdaman ko na siya para nagta-tighten yung face ko. Kung wala naman kayong gantong brush, pwede naman yung kamay. I'll get back to you after maybe 30 minutes. Okay?
A few minutes later.
Okay, so ayan guys, ginatag ko na siya, diba, na mga 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? So, babandawan ko na siya. Ayan. Okay, ayan. So, guys, anong effect? Anong resulta? Wala. No. Okay. Siyempre, hindi naman natin makikita agad yung effect or result nung ginawa natin kung one time lang natin siyang gagamitin. Okay. So, siguro ako, tatry kong gamitin siya like twice or once a week. Okay. So, wala namang instant sa pagpapaganda. Hindi naman porket in-apply natin ngayon, may effect na agad. Siyempre hindi. It takes time. Okay? So, ayun, if you're comfortable using this DIY skincare, you can try guys. Anyway, hindi din naman ganun ka-costly. And, ayun, kung merong overripe na kayo na banana, siguro, pwede siyang make use of it as a facial mask. Okay? And, if you want to ask something or want to know anything na alam ko, you can leave a comment below. And, I think that's all for today, and I'll see you again on my next video for my other DIY skincare, whatever. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, guys, so you'll be updated with my videos. Thanks for watching, and bye!